How's it going down there, huh? Yeah, yeah. Like that.
My old hometown always felt so pretty.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Right now we're driving to this park and I've never, actually it's not a park, it's a hiking trip. We're going hiking campers. Woo! And I've never been there. It's called Gray Fox. We're gonna test her out today. I was like, what can I do in my spare time that's fun? And so my first thing that came to mind was get a coffee. But the second thing to my mind was hiking. So that is where we're headed. So I'll see you there. Onward. Girl, you look like a pregnant roach.
The first time you said that you love me too. Couldn't pass without you, I'm hollowed out. So I packed my things and we moved down south.
Okay, party people, we've made it onto the little trail. Oh, the sun. But we've made it onto the trail. I got my little hubba wubba, my little water bottle, you know. And oh goodness, what way do I go? Don't you hate, it's like left or right. It's like a little angel or a little devil, you know, like in the movies. But the weather is so good right now. It's honestly, I thought it would be colder today, but it's not. So it's like perfect hiking condition. And so far I'm rating this trail an 8 out of 10. It's not disappointing. The scenery is honestly so beautiful. So get ready for spam overload of hiking montage. Ready? Hiking montage. Ooh, got a little incline. A little, as she said, we're gonna be something side to side after this. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know what this hike thing got built for, girl. I thought it was gonna be like a little cute fairy cottagecore moment. Girl, I feel like I'm in Jumanji.
Turn off all the lights, got a whole lot going for you. How do I explain if you don't?
So I recently downloaded Tinder, and not that this is relevant, but girl, anyways, I recently downloaded Tinder and trying to find obviously the perfect match of my life, the love of my life. No, not, well, maybe if it happens, but I have a date coming up and I don't know what to wear. Well, I have like 2 dates with the same person, so I'll give you an update, guys, after it goes, if you care. If you care, hashtag YOLO. Remember to take your water, kids. Cheers to hydration. Woo! Zoink scoobs.
She loves me when I look my best, but girl, you need to let me rest. I'm sorry if I made a mess.
Question of the day. If you could be a rock, what kind of rock would you be? No wrong answers. Magnesium.
Sorry if I'm still obsessed with you. Sorry if I'm still obsessed with you.
Do you like the view? Yeah, man. C26. More like rolly on my wrist. Swag. You guys, let's try to be a little spooky dooky. There's literally Christmas music playing. Like, I don't even know where it's coming from. It's dun 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 dun. Like that Christmas song, "We Wish You a Merry Christmas" or whatever. Like, what is going on? Mom, come pick me up. And my bandana fell, and I didn't even know it. And then I was walking, and I found it. Like, what's going on? Anyways, we're gonna head back to the car, so I'll catch you there. Toodles. I love you, baby. Wait, how many exes you had? All life, no rumors. Kombucha. Okay, guys, a little outfit change. Like, I came home, chilled, and then I was like, let me go to Dollar General because I had the munchies, you know? So, we got sun chips. I did already break into everything. Bomb.com. 10 out of 10. And we got chocolate chip soft cookies. Girl, what the hell? I'm trying to get the cookie out. Stop doing it. And I got bread. And that's it. That's the tea, okay? So, thanks for watching the video. I hope you had fun hiking with me. Stay silly, my silly gooses. I'll see you next week.